Today we've had to drive the extra hour along the desert road as the Parapara, our usual route, is closed due to roadworks, even though it is open overnight and at weekends. We're not risking the icy conditions that we may encounter again. Hitting black ice isn't pleasant. It's Tuesday the 17th of June, well into winter now, and we're on our way to Rotorua for more adventures and to be wowed by some spectacular drone show footage for Matariki that we would have seen on Thursday had it not been postponed. So come along and find out why the Matariki festivities were postponed and get to see how we handled being out of our comfort zone and amongst the crowds. Aren't you so sweet? And we're going to have a cat at our campground. We're just sitting up, baby. We're just sitting up and you've taken over. Have you taken over? Yeah. Okay, got to carry on. Lake's over there. We think that's where the light show is going to be, over the lake. And here's all the, I don't know what this is, stalls? Food stalls maybe. But the weather's kicked in. Right on cue. Jolly rain's coming. What a shame. She's making something. Candy floss. It's going to be a rabbit. And then this happened. So our plan to drive home today had changed. We were able to book one more night, hoping the drone show was still on for tonight. In the meantime, we had an extra day to fill in, so found another Matariki light show that we attended earlier in the evening.
Hey, welcome to the Arts Village. Thank you so much for
Kita. That's what that says. What? Look at that. Done by the school, Rotorua school, wherever that is. Look at that. Oh, clever kids, eh? Kawakura. Okay. Little things up in the tree. I suppose the glow did. If it was dark, it's not dark. We're too early. Okay. His tongue and face are moving. It's pouring paint. How cool is that? Very good. Oh, look at that too, yeah. What a cool street with those trees lit up. Was it just for Matariki? It is ridiculously busy. I can't believe it. Just want to show how different it was from yesterday. Look how many people there are. That's why the traffic was ridiculous dead. We arrived back at the lakefront 2 hours early and managed to get a relatively comfortable yet wet seat. Breakfast, still got an hour to go. When a dear lady scooped us up and moved us to the front, dried our seats for us and told us to enjoy the evening. Got a seat now. Because we're old. The lady came and got us, didn't she, Robert?
Yeah.
Aren't we lucky? She could see how old we were. And brought us to these seats. Aren't we spoiled? Oh, pays to be old. We're in a roped off area for us oldies. It's all roped off for us. I love it. Face the light, Robert. That's it. Oh, because there it goes. So they did turn that light off too. Oh, we can see the stars. Oh man, I missed it. Oh, super. Oh, cool, eh? We won't be showing the whole light show again, but if you'd like to see it, go to our last episode where we filmed the whole 14 minutes. And I'd like to say that we were very impressed with the whole show. So well done. Thank you, Rotorua.
They have the tuna, they have the tuna.
She's brilliant, eh? Wasn't that fantastic?
Mana tia Matariki. Tēnā koutou katoa. And we welcome you all back for another show tomorrow night. Thank you all for coming. Take your time. There's going to be a lot of traffic on the road. Kia maia, kia matara. Tēnā koutou katoa.
That rubbish bin is overflowing. Oh, I love it. Oh, and there's another one. Piling it all on top of the bins. How adorable. Oh, I love it. Anyway, we've got to get out of this mess. Oh, wow. Turn her off, hadn't I? It's too many people.
It'll take us forever. Okay.
We haven't even got to our car yet. Our car's parked even further away from the governor's, what's this called? Parliament. Oh, I've forgotten the name of it. And cars for miles. It's madness. And we were 15-minute walk away. I haven't seen anything quite so bad as this. None of these cars were parked here. They must have come after us. After waiting in our car for half an hour, the traffic started moving slowly. And an hour later, we were back at our caravan when it would have normally taken around 12 minutes.